Mamata Banerjee was born in Calcutta, West Bengal, to a Bengali Hindu Brahmin family. Her parents were Promileshwar Banerjee and Gayatri Devi. Banerjee's father, Promileshwar, died due to lack of medical treatment when she was 17. In 1970, Banerjee completed the higher secondary board examination from Deshbandhu Shishu Shikshalaya. She received a bachelor's degree in history from Jogamaya Devi College. She earned her master's degree in Islamic history from the University of Calcutta. This was followed by a degree in education from Sri Shikshayatan College and a law degree from Jogesh Chandra Chowdhury Law College, Kolkata. Banerjee became involved with politics when she was only 15. While studying at the Jogamaya Devi College, she established Chhatra Parishad Unions, the student wing of the Congress I Party, defeating the All India Democratic Students Organisation affiliated with the Socialist Unity Centre of India. She continued in the Congress I Party in West Bengal, serving in a variety of positions within the party and in other local political organizations. An Indian politician who is serving as the 8th and current Chief Minister of the Indian state of West Bengal since the 20th of May 2011, the first woman to hold the office. Having served many times as a Union Cabinet Minister, Mamata Banerjee became the Chief Minister of West Bengal for the first time in 2011. She founded the All India Trinamool Congress, AITC or TMC, in 1998 after separating from the Indian National Congress, and became its second chairperson later in 2001. She is often referred to as Didi, meaning elder sister in Bengali. Banerjee previously served twice as Minister of Railways, the first woman to do so. She is also the second female Minister of Coal, and Minister of Human Resource Development, Youth Affairs and Sports, Women and Child Development in the Cabinet of the Indian government. She rose to prominence after opposing the erstwhile land acquisition policies for industrialization of the communist-led government in West Bengal for special economic zones at the cost of agriculturalists and farmers at Singur. In 2011, Banerjee pulled off a landslide victory for the AITC alliance in West Bengal, defeating the 34-year-old Communist Party of India, Marxist-led Left Front government, the world's longest-serving democratically elected communist-led government, in the process. She served as the member of West Bengal Legislative Assembly from Bhabanipur from 2011 to 2021. She contested the Nandigram Assembly seat and lost to the BJP's Suvendu Adhikari in the 2021 West Bengal Assembly elections, though her party won a large majority of seats. She is the third West Bengal Chief Minister to lose an election from her own constituency, after Prafulla Chandra Sen in 1967 and Buddhadev Bhattacharjee in 2011. Mamata challenged the result of Nandigram constituency in Calcutta High Court and the matter is sub judice. She led her party to a landslide victory in the 2021 West Bengal Assembly polls. She got elected as member of West Bengal Legislative Assembly again from Bhabanipur constituency in the by-poll.